बेकायदेशीर रितीन जाग्यांचेर हस्तांतरण करपाचे थांबोवपाक सरकारान फास्ट ट्रॅक कोर्ट स्थापन करपाची मागणी तृणमूल काँग्रेसीन केल्या। सरकारान SIT नेमल्या, मात लोकांच्यो आयिल्ल्यो कागाळी वेळार सुटाव्यो करपाचो आनी आरोप्यांक ख्यास्त करपा विशीं सरकाराची भुमिका स्पश्ट ना, अशें तृणमूल काँग्रेस म्हणटा। सरकारान बात मारच्या परस न्यायालयाची थापणूक करची आनी लोकांक हांचे हक्काचे जागे दिवचे अशी मागणी TMC करता।
On 15th, the government issued an order to say that an SIT has been constituted to look into the defrauded properties, and they themselves say it is running into thousands of crores. Now, our Goa desk in charge has been very sensitive about this issue because somebody have approached him that they have been cheated of their property, and he told me to take up this matter very seriously. Accordingly, I wrote a letter to the Chief Minister, which I am giving to you. Is it time bound? What is the terms of reference? Suddenly some people are put together and say that there are so many committees instituted for looking after property matters. Recommendations are made? No answer. No action. So what we are saying is, Goa TMC strictly believes that if justice has to be given to the people who have been defrauded by the fraudsters, in the present normal situation, you will never be able to get it. And what is the time bound for investigation? Will Komunidad lands that have been transferred to different people's names under revenue ministers, mutations have taken place? Where is it? So the question is, for people to get justice and for them to enjoy their property during their lifetime, one of the best ways, possible ways, that they get their properties back, to enjoy it, to use it, to develop it, by having fast track court. That's our TMC's demand. And we will not sleep till we see that the government is either exposed that it is fooling the people, or they take it to its logical conclusion.